Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create folders in your Gmail inbox really quickly and without any advanced technical skills. So let us get started. Now, what you want to do, guys, is create a label, because labels are basically folders in your Gmail inbox. Here on the left-hand side, as you can see, I created a folder like this, and now I can simply move emails from my main inbox to that folder here by labeling them. This is how you can do it, guys. It is actually in rocket science. Next to the labels feature, you will see a plus icon. So this is where you can create a new folder /label. So click on it. And after that, give your new folder a name. So let me name it, for example, folder 1 or something like that. And click on create here to create it. And that's basically it. As you can see, the folder has been created. Now you can, for example, customize it by clicking on the three dots here and assign a label color, for example, remove the label, edit it, and add a sub label, and so on and so forth. So guys, for example, if you'd like to move emails or conversations to that folder, you may simply label these emails by, let's say, right-clicking on one of these emails in your normal or general inbox, and by assigning a label. Right-click on the given email and hover your mouse over label as, and here to the right, simply select the folder, like for example this one here. Select the checkbox next to it, confirm by clicking on apply here, and that is going to label the given email, as you can see. And if I head over to that folder, you will see that the email has been moved from the inbox to that folder or label here. And that's how it works, guys. That's how it works in practice. You may also remove the given email from the folder by simply right-clicking on it again, by hovering a mouse over label as, and by unselecting the given folder here. Confirm by clicking on apply here, and now the file /email has been removed from that folder /label here. And that's how it works in practice, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.